Good morning, students. This morning we are going to discuss about what algal blooms are and especially about their effects on human health. As we all know, algae are photosynthetic organisms, and some of the algae are microscopic in size, so they are called microalgae, and some of the algae are comparatively larger and they are multicellular and they can be filamentous and so on, so they are called as macroalgae. Now when we talk about algal bloom, I'm sure that sometimes in your life you may have seen in big or small water bodies, you may have seen on the water surface, you may have seen some green scum or some small plants covering the whole water body, and that is called as algal bloom, or it is also called as water bloom. And this algal bloom is usually caused by because of the rise in temperature, that is especially in summer the temperature rises and that causes excessive growth of algae in the water bodies. And it is also because of the excessive nutrients from fertilizers or sewage waste coming from different places and getting accumulated in the water bodies, and that adds to the algal multiplication in excessive manner. Now this algal bloom, once it starts, it depletes the oxygen, the dissolved oxygen that is present in water, and it also does not allow the sunlight to penetrate into the deeper areas of the water body, and that is detrimental to the aquatic life. And at the same time, some of the algae, especially the blue-green algae, and some dinoflagellates, they produce toxins once they are formed in big bodies. So these toxins are produced by BGA, the blue-green algae like the microcystis, the dolichospermum, nostoc, and so on. So this BGA or the blue-green algae, they produce cyanotoxins, and then the dinoflagellates like Karenia brevis and some others, they produce brevetoxins. So these microorganisms, or say these smaller algae, they produce toxins in the form of microcystins, cyanotoxins, brevetoxins. So these toxins are toxic to the aquatic organisms, and then they are also toxic to human when humans come in contact with these toxins. When they come into contact with these toxins, they can cause gastrointestinal problems, neurological problems, and so on. So these are the ill effects of algal bloom in water bodies and its effect on human body. Thank you.